Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er, Gold Vlog 112, and we are at the coffee right now. We're gonna get some coffee. We have a little busy and a fast-paced day today. We have to pick up a lot of parts from our vendor because we're low on parts since we bought a lot last time. And so after that we have to drive to Compton area, the hood, and then after that we have to drive to Vernon, California, the mid factory areas, the kind of that city area. So we'll see what happens, but it's gonna be a busy day. The weather's kind of okay. Kind of looks a little cloudy, but it's nice and 77, so we're good. That's the weather forecast for you guys from vlog 112 from Phon-Er, Mari. And we'll see you guys soon when the first the repair drops. It's gonna be a 7 plus rose gold white, which is kind of a cool color, but I've had a bad experience with that last time because the phone was just malfunctioning on its own, but this time it's gonna be good. So see you guys soon on that one, and then we have to go and do some other stuff at the meat factory, Golden West area. So we'll put that on news too. So we'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching Phon-Er Gold, and I'm going to get my coffee, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace, Scott. Hey guys, we are almost here. We are around Compton area, South LA, around there, and we should be there in 0.5 miles. It's an iPhone 7 Plus rose gold white screen, and we got this thing from OfferUp. We just posted an ad for like a minute, and right away the ad just got pretty much a view, and then he was flagged, of course, because OfferUp doesn't allow services to be posted. So we pretty much got that, and that was pretty much it. And we are here, almost here. We're gonna fix it for this nice lady. Her name is Yolanda. So we'll show you how it goes down, and we'll see you soon. Peace. Cut. Really smashed as you would think. Just a screen. I was like, man, what the heck? It was just insane. Hey guys, we just finished that phone that you saw. I use an iPhone 7 Plus rose gold white screen. We just changed that for the Yoli. to Yolanda. She was happy everything was good. We also slapped in a tempered glass for free of charge, complimentary. That's part of our deal with our screens. We just give out screens just to make sure the customer just to make sure the screen lasts longer than normal, and they won't break the screen too quickly, and then we will not be guilty of having to charge them again for a new fix. So that's about it, guys. We are right now heading to Vernon, California. We're only like 3 miles away, and we're gonna fix an iPhone 6 or 6s camera, and then I should wrap for the vlog 112. So we'll be still back here just to show you that, and so stay tuned, and we'll be right back.